It's your girl called by Christina, and today we are going to unbox this package that I got from Proactiv. I have been waiting 2 months to get this package. COVID got everything backed up. I tested negative recently and I am negative. More on that later. I'm actually do a video where I talk about me going from positive to negative. So stay tuned for that. But let's get into this package, okay? I crossed out my address because y'all in my business. And yeah, this one looks like you can tell it's unopened. You see it's still tape on it. So I don't even know what's inside. But I've been waiting 2 months for this. Okay, so it's finally here. Clear skin, here I come. So I got my scissors. And let's get into it. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that like button. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open this box and then I'm gonna show y'all my nighttime skincare routine. Okay? Okay. Alright, so this is me being extra careful with a pair of sharp scissors. Are y'all ready? Alright, this is what's inside. I'm gonna reopen this box because I didn't realize that my address was the first thing that showed on here, and I put it on the camera. So I'm gonna do it back here. Alright. This is what's inside. Let me. Oh snap! Okay, perfect. I thought I was gonna have to hide it again. Okay. So this is what's inside. So we got the product list of everything that was ordered. And then I get this. So this says, "We're sorry, dear Proactiv customer. We are sorry to inform you that we will be discontinuing Advanced Dark Spot Correcting Serum effective September 21, 2020. In November, I'm gonna skip ahead because I'm not about to read all of this. In November 2020, we look forward to introducing the all-new post-acne dark mark relief." Okay, I thought this was gonna be we are so sorry that we took 2 months to send your package. But it's all good. It's all good. I still love Proactiv. Free gift. We have included a Proactiv free gift in this order for free. Please enjoy our gift to you. Boom. I like free stuff. Okay, so this is the gift they sent me. It's on top. This is the gift they sent me. So they sent me the Proactiv Detox Hydrogel face mask. So it's one mask in here. And they sent me 3 of these bad boys. So it says, apply the mask over clean, dry face. For each section, unfold the mask and remove the white sheet. Press firmly to evenly secure mask in designated areas, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I'm gonna do a product video on this a little later. I have not worn a mask all this week, and it's mask day. It's mask day. Let's get into this order. Oh, they sent me another free gift too. They sent me a green tea moisturizer. I didn't order this. I didn't pay for this. Ooh, I love free stuff. Green tea moisturizer. What is this for? This lightweight, non-greasy formula is rich in mineral and botanical extracts, including green tea, to help soothe dry skin without clogging pores. It's your perfect moisturizer for blemish-prone skin. So I'm gonna put this on tonight too. Ooh, okay. All right, so this is what I ordered. This is what I ordered from Proactiv. All right, so let me start with the first thing. First things first. Cleanser. All right, I love the cleanser. I love the new formula because it isn't as harsh. I've been using Proactiv for about 3 to 4 months, and I don't really have too much acne. The only issue that I really have is hyperpigmentation, but I love how clean this keeps my face, and it keeps my blemishes to a minimum. I do get the occasional pimple depending on what I eat. If I eat cheese, I notice that I'll get a pimple the next day or 2 days later after eating it. If I eat something fried, I'm for sure about to see a pimple the next day. So yeah, my acne really depends on what I eat. It's a 6-ounce bottle. This 6-ounce bottle literally lasts me like 4 months. 4 months. Because a little bit goes a long way. Second step is the toner. Right there. This is the extra strength formula toner. So I ordered this one instead of the regular toner that comes with the package because at the time that I ordered it, they were out of the regular toner. So I'm like, let's go with the extra strength formula. I was reading the reviews and people seem to really like the extra strength. Yeah, I probably don't need extra strength, but I was like, well, why not? You know, so this is the extra strength. That's the second step. So you put the toner on after you wash your face and dry it. And this is the third step. This is the repair lotion. So you put this on after you apply the toner. And yeah, you know, Proactiv has the cleanser, the toner, and the moisturizer, which is essential to every skincare routine. So that's right there. And it's still in the packaging. So I gotta take this bad boy out to use it. So that's everything that was in the box. It also gave me this little pouch. I didn't pay for this either, so this is free. I got like 3 free things from it. They gave me a mask, the little green tea moisturizer, and this cute little bag. So the box is empty. I can tell that they care about the environment because they have a cardboard box. You know, because if you have a cardboard box, you obviously care about the environment. Is it so important? So now we're going to get into my nighttime skincare routine, and I'm going to use all the Proactiv products that I just showed you. As you can see, my face is like half makeup, half natural, no makeup. I wear a mask every day like you do too because you're trying to prevent the spread of COVID. I don't wear a full face of makeup anymore. So I only do eyes and up. I only do eyes and up. So like you're gonna get some eyeshadow, you're gonna get some mascara or some lashes, you're gonna get some eyebrows, and you're gonna get some foundation on my forehead. But that's about it because it's like such a waste of makeup product to put it on under my mask. Plus I'm not trying to get mask-me. I don't want to get mask-me. It's a thing because the mask trap in moisture and all type of oils in your skin, and so yeah, I don't want that. I already got enough going on right here, so I don't need to add on top of that. So when I wear my mask, I only do my makeup from eyes up, unless it's a photo shoot or a special event or a date night. I'm going to go see my boo. Yeah, so let's get into it. For starters, I'm going to use a makeup wipe to remove any excess oil, dirt, or makeup from my face. Now I'm about to actually wash my face. So I'm going to use the Proactiv face brush, and I'm going to use the silicone attachment. The silicone attachment is my favorite because I love the way it feels on my face. So I'm going to take this packaging off. Okay, so pop it off. It smells so fresh. Okay, so first I'm going to put some water on my face and make it damp. And now I'm going to throw some water on this. And I'm going to put just a little bit on here. Ooh, okay, that thing thick. This is how much I'm using. This is the lowest speed. This is the highest speed. Now it's off. So I'm gonna start with the low speed and then I'm gonna go to the high speed. when I finish using it, I like to put like soap in my hand and I just like to like rub it to kind of clean it. So now I'm about to rinse my face off. Alright, so my face is nice and clean. Let me clean my nose. I like to clean my nose when I wash my face because like I don't like boogers in here. I do like a toilet sheet for each or a toilet square for each nostril because that's my business. So I'm about to use the Detox Hydrogel face mask. And ooh, do y'all see this? Charcoal and Moroccan clay. Moroccan lava clay. Ooh, they fancy. This is what it looks like inside. This goes on the bottom part of your face because it's a mouth right there. And this one goes at the top. I'm gonna start with the top. Ooh. Boom! Now let's do the second part. Okay. So I just took off the mask. I gave my skin time to absorb everything that was left over from the mask. So now I'm about to apply the toner. Step 2. So let me take it out the box. This is what it looks like outside of the box. And I'm gonna shake it a little bit. I'm gonna let that absorb into my skin for a little bit. Is it still recording? So now that that's done, I'm gonna use step 3, which is the repair lotion. Open it. This is how much I'm gonna use. I'm gonna let this absorb, and while it's absorbing, I'm going to open my green tea moisturizer. This is how much I'm going to use. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so fresh. Oh my god, it smells so good and fresh. All right, so that is my nighttime skincare routine with Proactiv. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Bye.